Hey man, really quick guide for how to do the B2 loop and instant while standing. So for the B2 loop, do first get used to doing like, back to front simultaneously. Don't think of front as a different button, right? Just do them at the same time. So like, just get used to pressing that first. And to perform the B2 loop, all you have to do is just wait, If you're doing it and get stuck like this because you're doing it too fast, so just wait until he's at the lowest ducking point, at the dick sucking point, right? Just wait, and then you can do it. And be sure to try it on the ear after you you mastered it on the ground, because I feel like it's a little different on the ground. And also you know how I whiffed there? Thing is, the reason I whiffed there is because I'm too slow. I did it too slow, right? So you have to do it fast enough so that you don't miss the you don't whiff, but you gotta do it slow enough so that you don't get stuck like this, right? So just keep that in mind. Just try to do it as fast as possible, but just don't do it too slow too. So just get the timing for that. Okay, for the while standing, and if you don't know what while standing is, it's when you crouch and do the input. So to do it instantly, you have to do misstep into back. But as soon as you turn back, you do the input. And make sure it's just as soon as you press back. Press back first and then do it as soon as you press back. So it will look like this. Because if you do it too slow, it will just come out as a normal attack. And be sure to get used to that after you master the B2 loop first. Because if you keep both of them, keep doing them, both of them.
What the hell?
Fucking hell. But as I was saying, if you do learn both at the same time, you will probably fuck up the timing, because the timings are a little different.
Get ready for the
B2 loop, you have to do it a little bit faster. Before the instant while standing, you have to do it a little bit slower. You have to delay it a little bit. Let me see if I can do it in a little real match, because most of the time, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro, I ain't be hitting that fucking B2, man.
Round one.
Bro, what is
Fight.
this connection, bro? Oh, wait. Oh, it was Adobe fucking up the fucking connection. Okay. Oh my god, this is so much better. Woo! It's over for you, bro. Okay, what the fuck is the connection again, bro? What happened? Oh fuck. Okay, that was weird. Marvelous!
You win.
Okay, I'm gonna give him a rematch. He was pretty cool. Oh damn. Alright, whatever. But yeah, okay, let me get back to what the fuck? The while standing shit. Oh my god, I gotta wait for the loading screen again. Oh my fucking god. Okay. So I forgot if I actually finished the while standing shit, but so basically just you gotta delay it. You gotta it's the same. As soon as you reach the low breaking point, man, low dick sucking point, just press back. And as soon as you press back, either press one or two, either of the while standing starters, which one you want to do in the situation, right? So yeah, it's just that. So be sure to like do it after you have completely like learned the B2 loop first, because the timing are a little like similar, so like, it can fuck with your head. So like just keep that in mind. So, like, that's it, that's it. So beautiful.
I'm evil like Sasuke. I'm the best rappers ever. Bitch, I love you. I'm young nigga. I'm late for dinner. I feel like a cheap kid in 2012.